I did swing by Harbor Freight. I had to pick up some clamps for another project, but I figured I'd pick up a couple of these little thumb clamps here to kind of hold this seal in place while we're mucking around with everything else. This glue can dry and we can get this thing back up on the road here. Yeah, 99 cents at Harbor Freight, these little clamps. Not too bad a deal here. Alright, we'll give her a go with the super glue here and hopefully don't jack things up too bad. That dry. Alright, on to the camera installation here and get the Subaru back on the road. Put a little bit of lube on these license plate screws. Okay, clean up I guess a little bit. Seems a little rusty. I'll probably end up taking this thing to the wash. We're going to go ahead and see if we can get this camera installed.